In this video, I'll be showing you how to create system restore point on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing that you want to do is locate the system protection workspace. So what we're going to do is press Windows key and S, which is going to open up our search bar, and create a restore point. So we're going to type that in, and it's going to look like this, and it's going to open up through our control panel. So now it looks like this, and the classic system properties configuration panel will slide into your desktop. And now what we're going to do is look at the protection settings list. And what we want to go ahead and do is select the primary C drive. So what we're going to do is select that and then click the configure button, which is going to be right there. Now, once we do that, under the restore settings header banner, select the bullet option for turn on system protection, which is going to be right here. And then move the max usage allocation slider handle right until it sits between 5 to 10%, which is going to be 10 to 15 gigabytes of space. So we'll go ahead and do something like 7%. We can just do something in the middle of that if we want to. And then all you want to go ahead and do is press apply and then press OK. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.